Hello everyone and welcome to class of data encapsulation. In this class we are going to discuss about data encapsulation terminology. It is basically a process of putting headers and sometimes trailers around this data. Suppose we have A and B which is connected with the help of Ethernet. A encapsulates the IP packet between the Ethernet header and Ethernet trailer, creating an Ethernet frame. A physically transmit bits of this Ethernet frame using electricity flowing over this cabling. A router which physically receives the electrical signal over the cable, it recreates the same bits by interpreting the meaning of the electrical signals. The router de-encapsulates the IP packet from the Ethernet frame by removing and discarding the header and the trailer. So this process is a data encapsulation. The data link layer and physical layer includes a large number of protocols and standards. Data encapsulation terminology. For example, web server encapsulated the content of the home page with the help of HTTP header. The TCP layer encapsulates the header and data inside the TCP header. IP encapsulates the TCP header and data inside the IP header. The Ethernet link encapsulates the IP packet inside both the header and the trailer. The process by which TCP IP host send data, it can be viewed as a 5-step process. The first 4 steps relate to the encapsulation performed by the 4 TCP IP layers, and the last step is the actual physical transmission of data by the host. So it is a 5-step process. We can see the 5 steps as per the layer. First step, we require to create and encapsulate the application data with any application layer header. Required to encapsulate the data. The HTTP OK message it can be returned in a HTTP header followed by the content of all the web page. Then second step, encapsulates the data supplied by the application layer and the transport layer header TCP. This TCP or UDP header is used. Then encapsulates the data supplied by the transport layer inside a network layer with the help of an IP header. IP defines the IP address that uniquely defines each computer. 4th step, encapsulates the data supplied by the network layer inside a DLL header and a trailer. This layer uses a header and a trailer both. So data link and data link. Header and trailer both. And 5th step, which is actual transmission of data, transmit the bits. The physical layer encodes the signal and transmit the frame. This is the 5-step process. So name of the TCP IP messages, we have segment, packet and frame. These are required to refer to the messages. We can see segment, packet and frame. Each term, segment on a transport layer, packet on network layer and frame on layer, data link layer. Each term has a specific meaning, referring to headers and trailers defined. So like TCP IP, each OSI layer also asks for the services from the next layer. To provide the services, each layer make use of header and possibly a trailer. The lower layer encapsulates the higher layer's data behind the header. Thank you.